Okay, bago kami makipag-meet sa inyo, you will have to agree that separate voting. Ganun po palagang nangyayari. Ito po ang nangyari. Ako po matagal na sa Congress. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Madam Chair, panahon pa po ni Speaker Belmonte, pinag-iisipan na natin to. Restrictive economic provisions, blah, 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 blah. But we never agree just to meet. Alam po ninyo, Madam Chair, ang pinag-uusapan, mag-meet lang po tayo. Tsaka na po natin pag-uusapan kung yung 3/4 is voting separately or not.
Pero, yes, Madam Chair.
Pero
Yes,
wala
I
po
think
tayo.
Tama observation ni Attorney Marcolet. To amend the Constitution through a Constituent Assembly, the House cannot force it. Ganun lang po yun, as simple as that. So therefore,
No one is forcing, Senator.
precisely, complaint kasi we are two autonomous bodies. Ayaw nung isa makimit sa Constituent Assembly.
The complaint arises from the fact that you do not want to meet with us. So
Madam
ang
Chair.
question, how can we make use of that particular
Yes,
modality? It is the first modality.
Yes, that means that the present composition of both houses cannot avail of that mode kasi ayaw nga nung isang house makimit. So, ano na po yan? That's a political question, gamitin sa issues sa election. Pero our problem with the PI is yun na nga. Therefore, we suspected some politicians to be behind the PI because ang tinutumbok ng People's Initiative is the procedure sa Constituent Assembly.
That's
And
right.
changing the natural meaning of that section,
That's
Madam
correct.
Chair. So that's
and with all due
yan yung
respect
flow,
to
yes.
Congressman Martin, meeting of the minds at another time.
Madam Chair,
Right now, I can see all my colleagues jumping out of their seats to contradict us. But let's not hijack this hearing. Let us
Correct.
proceed with the next witness, who has very kindly come from the province of Batangas. Yes, po, Senator.
Madam Chair.
Salamat, Madam Chair.
Senate President, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Can I be
I've been
recognized, Madam
acknowledged
Chair?
by the chair.
Madam Chair.
I proceed,
Madam
Madam
Chair.
Chair.
I'm sorry,
Chair.
I
It's
thought
all right.
the congressman
Madam
was
Chair, point of
escaping.
order.
No.
Yes,
Thank you, Madam
Senator
Chair.
Ontiveros,
He should
Thank
listen
you,
to
Madam
us.
Chair.
I'm
I,
raising a
You
point
should
of
listen
order,
to us.
Madam Chair.
Madam